sure if we did, yeah, the raccoons will fall over. Which I guess, I don't know, I mean, if the raccoon carries off our dick.
And they're used to me handling them versus her.
And imagine.
Most of the time I go out and I do all the.
So they kind of remind me of a Muppets character, and that's the one that they
And
got.
RH Club.
And it's not like my sister's in hers, it says something that's more with the Sarah's power,
Yeah, I know.
any stroke, or if they don't have a shady place to hide from the heat.
You can tell when they're hot, they gasp a lot, they hold their wings out,
Yeah.
right? Because, you know, it's, in here is warm. So they'll walk around, they've got their mouth open and their wings are out, is when they,
Size of a chicken.
There's a,
And that's what I'm looking, chicken coop is the
bigger,
larger.
He's built this beautiful coop, it's almost done, and,
you know, it's amazing how pliable they are.
yeah,
And when you start looking at the scale size,
yeah.
you know, she's a young girl, so.
My sisters, they put little bangles on her ankles. Oh my gosh. They have this little banty named Starlight, that's their pet. And they have a, you know, but they've put little Indian bangles on her. She's just got little bracelets and it's very funny. She's a little chicken running around jewelry.
So do some of them peck? Like some,
Like,
they will.
Yeah.
She's pretty docile. So.
she had a bunch of, she has the red sex link, she has black, she has the Rhode Island Red, she's, you know, a lot of different breeds. And it's good to hear what he said, because she had
2
the
minutes
black
at 60 minutes.
sex links, but he said they're a bit,
And then
bit more aggressive.
Kind of just one hand and then keep the wings
just let him take over the arts.
in tight.
They do that.
And settle down a little bit.
Yeah, we're right by Kennedy School.
Okay, yeah.
Raising city chickens.
Just a little.
one of the